Are you ready to upgrade your food storage game? Meet the 24PC food storage containers, the perfect solution for keeping your meals fresh and organized. These glass containers are not just about looks. They're designed for your convenience and health. Made from durable borosilicate glass, they can transition from freezer to oven without a hitch. Plus, they come in a variety of shapes and sizes, making them versatile for any storage need. The set includes 12 airtight food storage containers with lids, featuring 4 rectangle containers, 4 square containers, and 4 round containers. With heights ranging from 1.75 to 2.3 inches, you'll find the perfect size for all your food storage needs. Worried about freshness? The airtight silicone seal and secure hinge clips keep your food safe from odors and air, ensuring your meals stay delicious and leak-proof. No more worrying about spills in your lunch bag. Not only are these containers functional, but they are also easy to clean. They're dishwasher safe, microwave safe without the lids, and oven safe up to 1040 degrees, making meal prep and storage a breeze. Plus, you can feel confident with your purchase. The containers arrive securely gift-boxed and come with a robust 12-month warranty, ensuring you can cook and store your food joyfully. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about this set. One reviewer says, "These containers are game changers. They keep my pantry organized and my food fresh." Another adds, "The thickness of the glass is impressive and they're perfect for all my meal prep needs." So, if you're looking for durable, stylish, and functional food storage solutions, the 24PC food storage containers are your answer. Click the link below to elevate your kitchen organization today. Thanks for watching and enjoy cooking with joy. Thanks for watching this review. As you saw on the thumbnail, the product featured in this video was available at a great discount when I uploaded it. However, discounts can change quickly, so make sure to check the description below for the latest offers and deals. If you're looking for amazing kitchen gadgets at discounts ranging from 10% to 60% off, be sure to subscribe to Upgrade My Kitchen. I always review products after gathering a lot of knowledge and checking customer feedback. That's why I feature top-rated and best-selling products that are perfect for upgrading your kitchen.